make me feel like a teenager in love. You make me feel like a teenager in love.
Drop my top, let the roof loose. Look at these diamond Fruit Loops. Look at this, round like the president, bulletproof.
Hi guys, my name is Jillian and today I'm going to be doing a get with me for a summer day. This is basically going to be a fresh and glowy summer makeup routine. This is also a collab with my friend here on YouTube, Jenny Gilmour. She will be doing a get with me travel edition and I'm going to be doing like a summer edition. So definitely go check out her video and her channel. She's so genuine and kind and I love her videos. All of her links will be down below in the description box along with mine, and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up and of course subscribe. So let's just get right into the summer makeup. So I'm just going to be using the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, and I have the shade Nude Glow. Oh my gosh, it smells like Starburst. That's insane. The next thing I'm going to put on my face is this Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot Instant Perfecting Primer. Especially in the summertime, I get super oily. I already have naturally oily skin, so with all the humidity and the hotness, you know, it's really slick up in my face. That's really gross, but it's true. So I always make sure to prime to make sure no dirt and like oil and like more oil builds up around my T-zone. I usually just focus this primer on my T-zone, which is just my forehead, down my nose, and my chin area. Apparently your pores grow upwards, so you always should put your primer like downwards so then it will like close the pores. I honestly don't know if that's true, but I just like do that and I feel like it does something, you know what I mean? I don't know. So I've been breaking out a lot lately, and I recently just went to Ulta and grabbed this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. I heard this is really good. Now that I have my pimples all covered up, I just have a wet Real Techniques beauty sponge. You can also get a beauty blender, but I'm broke. I'm really not, but like I'm cheap. So I just buy this and I just am going to blend it out. Okay, so now that all my concealer is blended out, I'm now going to go in with the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. This is awesome, guys. It's basically like a liquid highlighter, and I'm actually going to put this onto my beauty sponge. I'm crazy, I know. And I'm going to put it on as a highlight before my foundation, so I'm like glowing from the inside. You know what I mean? So, okay, I kind of got way too much. I'm also going to put it on like my nose, my forehead area, and my chin. Literally just like everywhere. Now for the foundation, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream. I am in the shade Light. This is like my #1 foundation. I really don't use anything else just because I love this one so much. You can either have it really minimum, or you can literally have like a full coverage foundation just by building it up. I really like it. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face. I'm gonna go for more of a medium coverage because I am going to be outside today. I'm actually filming a lookbook after I film this. So I am going to be outside, so I don't want like full coverage, so then like it will be like again running down my face. But I don't want light because I do again have some blemishes that I do like want to cover up. So I'm just going to go for a medium coverage. I just blended out all my foundation for my face, but now I have to always blend down to my neck and my chest if I'm wearing a tube top, which I am today. So I'm actually going to get a Real Techniques buffing brush and put that down my neck and to my chest, because I just feel like with a beauty sponge it takes forever and it doesn't exactly blend out as well as I want it to. So I just like going in with a buffing brush. Okay, so I just blended my foundation everywhere, and now I'm gonna put on concealer under my eyes. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I have the shade Fair Beige. I just finished blending out my concealer, and now I'm just going to be using the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. Like, there's literally no name on here. Just with my damp beauty sponge once again. Okay, I just put the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder on, but now I like to set like everything because again, I do get really oily, especially in the summer. So I just have my Physicians Formula Mineral Wear Talc-Free Mineral Face Powder just with a Real Techniques powder brush, and I'm just gonna put that basically just on my cheeks since I already set everything else. Since this is what did I just say? Since this is supposed to be a like fresh and glowy makeup, I'm not gonna really contour that much. I'm just going to bronze, and I'm gonna be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I have this in Bronzer. Alright, I just finished up with my bronzer, and now I'm going to start doing my eye makeup. So I'm not really gonna do any eyeshadow because again, I want it to be like simple and easy. So I'm just gonna put on mascara. I'm gonna be using 3 different mascaras because each of these 3 mascaras do like different jobs. So I'm using the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara for giving more depth to my eyelashes, and then I'm using the Tarte Man-Eater mascara for separation, and then I'm going to be using the e.l.f. lengthening and volumizing, I think it is, for lengthening. Alright, so I just finished up putting on my 3 mascaras, and now I'm going to go in with this sleek makeup palette, and I have this in Precious Charms. I'm going to go in with this bright white color right here for my inner corner. This brightens up your eyes so much, and it makes you look so much more awake. Now it is on to the fun part, the highlighting. So I'm going to be using the Tarte's Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to be using the 2 shades Strobe and Stunner, just on my cheekbones, probably down the bridge of my nose, and on my Cupid's bow. To set everything, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Before I had this, my makeup would like last like an hour, and now it lasts at least like 8 hours. It's amazing. Now for the last thing, I'm going to do my lips. So I'm going to start out with just moisturizing them with Burt's Bees and then also just chapstick. Since it is the summer and it's going to be glowy, I decided to do lip gloss for this look. I'm going to be using the NYX Lingerie Glitter, and this is just a clear gel.
You make me feel like a teenager in love. You make me feel like a teenager in love.
Alright guys, so that is the finished summer makeup. I really hope you guys enjoyed and like how it turned out. I do. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Check out Jenny, and her links will be down below along with her video and my links and everything like that. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.